Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the font size of web pages. And so changing the typeface isn't the only way to customize the text. Oftentimes different sections of a web page are highlighted by modifying the font size. To change the size of the font on the text on your web page, you can use the font size property. So in the example above, the font size of all paragraphs were set to 18 pixels. Px means pixels, which is one way to measure font size. So let's go ahead and do exactly that, what it said. So we're going to do font size, and we're going to set it to 18 pixels. And there you go. That was it. And I'm also going to do in the next lesson as well, the font weight as well. So in CSS, the font weight property controls how bold or thin the text appears. So you have, in the example right here, you have the font weight bold. So all paragraphs will be bolded. And the font weight property has another value, normal. But why does it exist? If we wanted all text on a web page to appear bolded, we could select all text elements and change their font weight to be bold. If a certain section was required to appear normal, however, we could set the font weight of that to be normal, essentially shutting off bold for that element. So it's essentially like the reverse psychology. So if you have, let's say, a black sheet, and you don't want to write on a black sheet of paper with black ink, you want to write it with white ink. Same thing goes here. If you want the whole web page to be bolded, but a certain part to be normal text, you can essentially set the font weight to be normal, right, like that. But let's go ahead and set the font weight of the paragraph to be bold. So font weight bold, and voila, there you go, that's bolded right there. And then in the next video we'll look at the text align, but I'm gonna end it right here for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and feel free to subscribe if you did find this helpful.